First time home buyers. Do you wish someone would just tell you what the actual steps are to home ownership? Because you feel like you're supposed to know everything. You feel like there's a process to it about how to buy a home, when to buy a home, and by now you feel like you should know it, but in reality you have zero clue, or you just wish someone would tell you more about it. Well, you're in luck. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, and if you have, then welcome back to my channel. I'm very blessed and thankful that you have decided to pop in today. I have some very helpful info for you guys today, particularly pertaining to first-time home buyers, but really this could help seasoned buyers as well, just with a refresh of what they've learned in past home purchases. And what today's video is going to cover is an in-depth exploration of the home buying process, whether you're brand new, like myself, to the home buying realm, or you're looking at your second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th home purchase. Whatever stage you're in, I'm going to take you through every single step, leaving no stone unturned. So grab a pen and pencil, grab a napkin, iPad, kids' homework, pet with white fur you can write on. I don't know, whatever you take notes on, because this is the guide you have been waiting for. Coming right at you with stage one, getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Stage one of our journey begins with the foundation of home buying, getting pre-approved for a mortgage. You'll need to partner with a lender who will analyze your financial health, your credit score, your income, existing debts, previous year's tax returns. They'll calculate your debt to income ratio and determine the mortgage amount you qualify for. This pre-approval not only sets your budget for the homes you'll be looking at, but also showcases your seriousness to these sellers when it comes to time to make an offer. Now, the lender will issue what's called a pre-approval letter or pre-qualifying letter, whichever you prefer to call it, which you can present to the sellers or slash listing agent of the home when you're making that offer. It's like having a golden ticket that opens the door to your future home. So, stage two is called navigating the real estate seas, basically the home search and making your offer. So, with your pre approval in hand, it's time to begin your home search. You can now focus on homes within your financial comfort zone. Since you have that pre approval letter, once you find the one, insert these heavenly gates opening. You'll craft an offer that outlines your proposed price, contingencies, inspection deadlines, special addendums, etc., 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 other terms, and having a trusted realtor to explain what each part of this offer means is key to the process, so you know exactly what you're signing. And this offer is a pivotal document that initiates negotiations with the seller, which we're going to get to. Now, it's good to be prepared for a little bit of back and forth with the seller, like a dance kind of, because they might accept your offer outright, which is awesome. So that's like the aha moment, but that's not always expected. So they might present a counter offer with different terms than your original, or they might just flat out reject your offer altogether. Ooh. Negotiations can involve price adjustments, repair credits, changes to closing dates, adjustments to any contingencies within your offer, so on. Stage three, the art of negotiation. So, negotiations. This is an art, and specifically an art of compromise. This phase requires finesse and skill from your real estate agent as you and the seller navigate the terms that suit both parties and are able to come to a meeting of the minds, as we call it, or where everyone is satisfied. It's essential to remain open minded while ensuring your core needs are met. The goal is to reach an agreement that where both parties comply with the terms stated in the signed contract and are okay with them and agree to keep the deal on track to the closing table. Stage 4, the magnifying glass, also known as the home inspection. Stage 4 is the home inspection where negotiations have already been secured. It's time to put the property underneath the magnifying glass. Uh, Basically, it's where a professional inspector will meticulously assess the property's structural integrity, systems, potential issues, and this step helps you make an informed decision about proceeding with your purchase of the home. Now, what exactly is the inspector looking for? From the foundation to the roof, plumbing to electrical systems, the inspector will uncover both glaring concerns and minor quirks. Armed with their report, you can negotiate further if repairs are needed to proceed with confidence until close. Here we are, guys. Stage 5, the home stretch, aka proceeding to closing. So, your lender finalizes your mortgage application, provides a loan estimate detailing all the closing costs and the monthly payments you're going to be making. Then you'll dive into a sea of paperwork: the purchase agreement, deed of trust, closing disclosures, just to name a few of those. There's a few more. Closing costs encompass various fees from the appraisal to title searches to attorney charges. Make sure to review and understand these costs with your agent and your lender. If you need clarification on each one, it's better to have answers and no doubts than doubts and no answers. Here we are, guys. We have made it. Stage 6, the moment of triumph, the transfer of ownership. Finally, this is the peak of the mountain. This is the crescendo. We have reached the summit and are about to take the cool picture at the top. This is the transfer of home ownership. At the closing meeting, you'll put your signature on the dotted line, sealing the deal. You'll also make your down payment and settle any remaining closing costs. The property's deed will be transferred to your name, and just like that, you are a homeowner. Ta-da! So this last piece is just a little advice from me. This is the unsung heroes, the roles of a real estate agent in the transaction. Throughout this journey, it's good to have a trail guide that knows the traverse and anything crazy that might just come up out of nowhere because they've dealt with it. That's your real estate agent. Kind of like a navigator, not the car, steering you through the twists and turns, winning for you in the negotiations, and making sure you're making informed decisions. So their experience and expertise are like your secret weapon throughout this entire process. I hope you stayed to the end and were able to glean a lot from this video, from pre-approval to becoming a proud homeowner. It's all important. Remember, each step in this process is crucial, and understanding them empowers you to navigate the real estate world with finesse like you own the place. That's you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, ring the notification bell for more insightful content that will be coming your way very soon. And until next time, happy house hunting.
Hey guys, first of all, if you watched this all the way through and you made it to this segment, thank you. Your watch time means everything to me, so I appreciate you guys tuning in. And also, this is just a little PS portion to let you know what's going to be coming up. There's going to be more first-time buyer insights, more housing market updates, specifically Birmingham and the surrounding suburbs, and just more general national housing market updates as well. Info about mortgage rates, how they affect you, all of that stuff I'm going to be packing into this channel for your education, enjoyment, uh, and for your insight for further real estate transactions and things of that sort. So if you want more of that, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, just so you don't miss anything, and you'll be constantly updated on what's going on in your local market as well as the national market. So, and if you have questions, I got answers and your question and answer might even get featured here on one of my videos, and I can keep you anonymous if that's what you'd like, or not if you prefer to get your name on here. Either way, it's cool with me, and I just appreciate you guys interacting. So anyways, happy house hunting. Love you.